Welcome to EcoJS Villa, Karandavatta, Badalkumbura. Surrounded by nature and refreshing fresh air, your stay at EcoJS Villa, you'll feel peacefully close to the earth. We offer comfortable AC rooms, a reception hall and restaurant, free Wi-Fi, hot water, and secure vehicle parking for a relaxing stay. Enhance your visit with scooter rentals, exciting Yala safari tours, and beautiful waterfall experiences, including Pissadiya Alla, Paraviyan Alla, Kumbukang Oya, and Manik Ganga. Please stay on the line. We'll be with you shortly.